Welcome to another video of Listen and Learn. Today we're going to talk about everyone's favorite topic. Everyone who ever wants to learn a new language wants to know the swear words. So today we're going to talk about swear words. I don't swear because I think it makes you sound like a feeble-minded person who's trying to express yourself forcefully, but everyone wants to know the swear words, and you probably should know them in case you're the object of it. The first point I'd like to make is that swear words are looked at differently in different places. For example, in the US, swear words are generally thought to be unacceptable and inappropriate for public use, whereas in the UK, so I'm told, are more socially acceptable, especially during a period of time in the day called the watershed, which is after 9 p.m. and until 5:30 a.m., where topics that are considered inappropriate for younger audiences are aired on television. So that's not to say that swearing doesn't happen in the US, it does. There are certain words considered swear words that are generally socially acceptable, like damn and crap and shit. You can hear those in many situations. Okay, for example, geez or gosh are expressions of irritation or frustration. Another common swear word is pissed off. That's used to express either your own or somebody else's irritation or frustration. Sucks. And that can be used to describe a situation that makes you unhappy. Bitch. And that is considered very offensive in the US, but it's often used between friends. Now I'll talk about some British swear words that are often used in public. Bloody is one, and that's used to express annoyance. I planned to go to the store, but I couldn't get the bloody car to start. Bugger, and that's used to express irritation. Bugger off, which is to tell somebody to go away. Another British swear word is bollocks, to express your surprise and anger about something that has happened. If somebody tells you something that you don't like or weren't expecting to hear, you could say bollocks. It's similar to an American English saying shit or damn. Bollocks. Keep in mind that this is how I understand these words. They're not words that I use, so if I'm making a mistake, please let me know in the comments. Another word that's used both in the US and in Britain is the word twat, which is used to label somebody who's foolish or stupid. For example, don't invite Bob to the party, he's such a twat. Some of these swear words can also be used positively. For example, damn. You could say, damn, that was good. Shit, that was some good shit. Finally, you can try to learn some words that allow you to insult somebody in a more intelligent way. For example, if you think somebody is really very stupid, you can call them a Neanderthal, or you can call them a cretin. Somewhat less elegant, but still not really swear words, are words like numbskull, or lout, or dimwit. There are certain words you shouldn't use, like don't put that in there. That's it for the video on swear words. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please send me any messages if you have comments, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the next video.